In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy an API gateway. Once you have an API created, you can click into it, into Actions, and click Deploy API. Click New Stage. Stage name, you could just call it version 1 or any other name you want. You could give it a description. You can give a deployment description for this specific deployment description. So then once everything's filled out, you pick the name and description. The descriptions are optional. You can click deploy. And now that will bring you to stages, and you can see V1's deployed here. And so now this is actually live. You have all these settings like caching, throttling, deployment history, document history, variables, all kinds of stuff, logs, tracing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of options with API Gateway, so if you guys are interested in learning more about like how to set up a custom domain name with API Gateway, or how to hook it up with a Lambda, or really anything with API Gateway, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make that video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.